In this video we will talk about throat cancer treatment cure alternative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Cancer, the word itself makes terror in the minds of the people. It is the word which makes us feel panic. It can cause to anyone without the discrimination of age, sex, color, class, or status. It has many reasons to conquer the human body. In olden days it was suffered a lot by the people. But now, due to the modernization, this can be cured with many alternative treatment or medications. We at our center provide you with the natural dietary supplements which are natural and does not cause any side effects in curing the disease. There are many different kinds of cancers. Cancer arises out of normal cells in the body and can develop in almost any organ or tissue, such as the lung, colon, breast, skin, bones, or nerve tissue. The people who come to our center come with a hope of curing the disease and becoming healthy. We support you with this, and as we use the alternative supplements which are natural and cure the disease with no side effects. We make you feel ease and get treated. Cancer of the throat is cancer of the vocal cords, voice box, larynx, or other areas of the throat. It involves the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells that have mutated from normal tissues. This growth can kill when these cells prevent normal function of vital organs or spread throughout the body, damaging essential systems. The alternative names for throat cancer are vocal cord cancer, laryngeal cancer, cancer of the glottis, or cancer of the pharynx. The risks of developing throat cancer increased if you are a frequent user of alcohol, cigarettes, and chewing tobacco. Cancer of the throat involves tumors on the tonsils, vocal cords, voice box, larynx, and at the base of the tongue. The people who are considered at high risk in this disease are many. If the people are more exposed to tobacco use, more smoke with heavy consumption of alcohol, regular or excessive consumption of alcohol, is considered at high and increasing risks. Smoking and drinking alcohol combined lead to an extreme risk for the development of throat cancers. This cancer can also occur due to the enlargement of the thyroid gland called chronic goiter. It may be due to the radiation exposure and the family history of cancer or the genetic predisposition. Most cancers of the throat develop in adults older than 50. Men are 10 times more likely than women to develop throat cancers. The exact cause of throat cancer is unknown, although tobacco products are thought to play a significant role in about 80% of cases. Symptoms of this cancer depend on the type and location of the tumor. For example, lung cancer can cause coughing, shortness of breath, or chest pain, while colon cancer often causes diarrhea, constipation, and blood in the stool. Some cancers may not have any symptoms at all. Like symptoms, the signs of cancer vary based on the type and location of the tumor. However, there are some of the common symptoms found in this cancer like fever, chills, night sweats, weight loss, loss of appetite, fatigue, malaise. The other symptoms of throat cancer can include a swelling or lump in the throat, a persistent cough, blood-flecked phlegm, the sensation of something permanently stuck in the throat, voice changes, such as persistent hoarseness or huskiness, throat pain, referred pain into the ears, swallowing difficulties, breathing difficulties, swollen lymph glands, gastrointestinal disorders, such as excessive reflux, diarrhea or constipation, If you experience any of the above throat cancer symptoms, it is advised that you see your healthcare provider for a more thorough check so the proper diagnosis and treatment can be applied. One of the best ways to prevent cancer is to not smoke or chew tobacco. Many cancers can be prevented by avoiding risk factors such as excessive exposure to sunlight and heavy drinking. They should have some good diet so that they are not attacked with the disease. Keeping the health fit by doing the exercises, having the nutritious food intake, protecting ourselves from bad atmosphere may make us to be free from the disease. Some people at high risk for developing certain cancers can take medication to reduce their risk. But yet the treatment is aimed at destruction of the cancer and prevention of spread of the cancer to other parts of the body. Treatment is aimed at destruction of the cancer and prevention of spread of the cancer to other parts of the body. The earlier throat cancer is diagnosed, the better the prospect of recovery. If the treatment is not given, then it can grow and can cause to death. So it is better to get treated at its initial stage. The treatment needs long-term recovery, but if you have a hope of conquering it, then you can have it. You should be mentally firmed and be prepared to achieve in curing it. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.